not found the hidden photos your Android phone, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video I am going to show you two easy way to find the hidden photos on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then go to Photos application and make sure you can use the latest version of the app. After that, look at the bottom menu where you can find the collection option or icon. Tap on it to open them. Then here you can scroll down and locate the archive option. Simply open it and see the all of the previously hidden photos listed there. However, if you don't find there your hidden photos, don't worry, you can follow the next method. To do that, simply back to the previous page, scroll down again, find the lock folder option, open it. Then verify to enter your phone screen password or press your fingerprint lock and see the all of the hidden photos stored there. That's it guys, how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.